Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you love learning about saving money, investing, and building wealth, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Saving $10,000 in 1 year sounds impossible, but it's actually easier than you think. If you save just $28 per day, you will reach $10,000 in 12 months. Step 1. Track your spending for 7 days. Most people waste money without realizing it. Coffee, food delivery, subscriptions. Step 2. Cut 3 useless expenses. Cancel unused apps, reduce eating out, and stop impulse shopping. Step 3. Automate your savings. Set an automatic transfer every week into a separate savings account. Step 4. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. And finally, Step 5. Increase income. A side hustle can easily add $200 to $500 per month. If you follow these 5 steps, saving $10,000 in a year is 100% possible.